Good morning, children. Open your textbook, page number 94. 94. Already we did last class in page number 93. We did no children. Exercise number 6. Today I am going to do page number 94. 8 sums is there, children. That we have to go do now. Page number 94. Page number 94. Now start writing now. Sharp your pencil when you are writing in the textbook, no children. 296 multiplied by 3. 189 multiplied by 3. 175 multiplied by 5. 165 multiplied by 7. See children, 3 6 are 18. 1 you carry to tens column. 3 9s are 3 8s are how much children? 21. 3 9s are 22, 23, 24. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1 28. 2 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. See once again, 3 6 are 18. 1 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1 28. 8. 2 here, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. 3 9s are 27. 2 we carry to tens column. 3 8s are 24. 5 plus 2, 26. 3 1s are 3 plus 4, 5. 567. 3 1s are 3 9s are 27. 7 we return no children. 2 carried to tens column. 3 8s are how much? 24. 24 plus 5 6. 26. 6 you write here. 3 1s are 3 plus 2. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 how much children? 5. 567. Here 5 5s are 25. 2 5 7s are 35 plus 2 37. Here carried 3. 5 1s are 5 6 7 8. 7 5s are 35. 3 5 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3 45. 4 3 7 1s are 7 8 9 10 11. So 1155. Now next, finish it neatly. We'll go to next sum. $468 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. 389 multiplied by 3. 326 multiplied 4. Next 125 multiplied by 5. Now listen carefully children. 2 8s are 16. 1, 2, 6 are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 3 you write here, 1 you carry to hundreds column, 2 fours are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 936. Now next, 3 nines are 27, 2, 3 eights are 24, plus 2, 6, 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 167. Sorry, 1167. 4 6 are 24, 2, 4 twos are 8, 9, 10, 4 threes are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 1304. 5 fives are 25, 5 twos are 10 plus 2, 12, and the 5 plus 1, 6, 625. We finished multiplication of 2-digit number with a 1-digit number now children. Now we will go to everyday maths. Page number 94 only. Everyday maths is there. Now listen here. A bus can carry 213 people. How many people can be carried by 4 such buses? Number of people one bus can carry 213. Number of buses by multiply by 4. Total number of people that can be carried. Now first sum only dashes I will write children. First sum here. A bus can carry how many people? 213 people. Number of people in one bus can carry 230. Number of buses multiplied by 4. Now total number of people that can be carried, you want to multiply children, you want to multiply then only some answer will come. Now 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are how much? 12. 2, 12 means 2 you write here, 1 you carry to 1 tens column, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 4 twos are 8. Total number of people that can be carried 852 people. 852 people. Solution also not written children, only I sum written. So in first line 213. Second line multiplication by 4, 852 people. The sum answer will come 852 people. Second one. Now there are 48 bottles in one crate. One crate, you know children, 48 bottles in one crate. How many bottles are there in 7 such crates? You want to find now 48 multiplied by 7. First line 48. Second line by 7. See, now you want to multiply. 7 8s are 56, 5. 7 4s are. Say 7 ones are table children. 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, plus 5, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 336 bottles in 4 such buses. See, one crate, you have 48 bottles. In number of crates, 7 crates. Total number of bottles, you will get 306 bottles. Third one. There are 7 days in a week. Find the number of days in 123 weeks. Number of weeks. Third one, number of weeks. First line, 123 weeks. In second line, number of days in a 1 week. 1 week, how many days will be there, children? 7 days. So you want to multiply by 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 1. 7 ones are 7. 8. 861 days. Total number of days 861 days. Now we'll go to page number 95. Page number 95. Fourth one. How many wheels will 136 cars have? How many 136 cars? How many wheels will be there? First line you write 136. Second line write you 4. Second line write 4. Now you want to find the answer. 4 6 are 24. 2 4 3 are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 544 wheels. Total number of wheels is 544 wheels. Now fifth one. There are 18 mangoes in one basket. How many mangoes are there in such 8 baskets? Now number of mangoes in one basket, 18. In each basket, how many mangoes will be there? 8. So 8 8s are 8 8s are how much children? 7, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 8 8s are 64. 6 you write here. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 144 mangoes. Total number of mangoes means 144 mangoes. Now sixth one. There are 36 eggs in one crate. How many eggs are there in 10 such crates? The number of eggs in one crate, 36. In how many? Number of crates, 10. See children, here also 2-digit number, here also 2-digit number. Now listen properly. If you 2-digit will come, after what we will do here. See, first you do in the ones place. 0 6 are 0. This also you want to multiply with 0 only. 0 3 is 0. Down you don't want any number. Don't want to write any number. Put 0 only. Next time when you are starting, no children. First you want to write 0. After that you will go to 1 6 are 6. 1 3 are 3. Understood children what I did? Listen here, 0 6 are 0, 0 3 are 0. If 2-digit number will come, no, that time you want to first multiply with 0. After multiply with 0, you will get first step 0 0. Second step 1 6 are 6, 1 3 are 3. In second step, starting only you want to write 0. In one's place, always you want to write in 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 6, 6. 360 eggs. This is everyday max 8 6 sums is there, no children. We finish now how to multiply fast. Example. Now next class we will do the how to multiplication fast. Now I will give homework children. Close your textbook. If you finish, close your textbook and take homework note. Max homework note, go to fresh page. Last class I gave multiplication of the following children. For multiplication, you want to thorough the tables. By heart the tables daily children, then only you can do the sums properly. Now go to fresh page. Fresh page only one everyday max sums I will give now. Everyday max. Everyday max. In everyday max, I'll give. There are 48 eggs in one crate. Eggs in one crate. One crate means what? No, children. How many eggs are there? Are there in such crates? How many eggs are there in 10 such crates? You write here 10. Understood, children? You want to write the solution also. You want to do the sum also. See, there are 48 eggs in one crate means you want to write number of eggs in one crate. How many eggs are there in 10 crates means number of crates. After that, total number of eggs. This you want to write. This is the homework, children. Only one sum I gave, no? Do it neatly, neat handwriting. Don't do spelling mistakes. Neat handwriting, you want to do the sums. Understood? Thank you, children.